Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, everyone, depending on where you're joining us from. Let me just try to make sure that my audio is very clear. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session. All right, everybody, good evening. Welcome to today's session. I'm very excited to be your host and your facilitator on today's session. Okay, and I will be walking you through where to start as a crypto trader. Where to start as a crypto trader. Just to make sure that my sound is clear and you can see me before I blast off. Okay. Thank you for that amazing feedback. Okay, welcome everyone to today's session. My name is Talle Davidson, and I'm so excited, super excited to be on this session and to be your host and your facilitator for this session. And we will be taking a look at where to start as a crypto trader. It is no longer news that OctaFX, which is the best crypto trading exchange in the world, is now offering crypto trading instruments, and you do not want to be left behind in this movement. So sit right back and enjoy the ride as I walk you through where to start as a crypto trader. Once again, my name is Talle Davidson. So let's go for a ride. Now, as we get started, it's also an exciting thing for me to announce to you that you can literally double your deposit using the promo code you can see on your screen, Tally Starts. It's a one word together in caps lock, Tally Starts. Now, to apply the promo code, all you need to do is scan the QR code or follow the link in the video description, and you will get 2x of your deposit. In other words, if you deposit $500 right now, you're going to be getting $1,000. And if you deposit $2,000 right now, you'll be getting $4,000. How amazing is that? Big thanks to OctaFX. And yes, I need to remind you that this promo code is valid until the 31st of May this year, 2023. And you want to make sure you maximize this promo for the best use. Okay, so, like I said before, our conversation in this session will be centered around crypto trading for beginners, basically, where you can start your journey as a crypto trader. Now, cryptocurrency is a buzzword, but there's something that powers cryptocurrencies. And for you to effectively function or effectively participate in the crypto space, you need to understand that it being a technology and innovation is driven by blockchain as a technology itself. So, we're going to be taking a quick look at blockchain technology, just for starters, and then we'll dive right into what you need to know to get started in your crypto trading journey. Let's go. So, what exactly is blockchain? It is a distributed and decentralized ledger technology that stores records of digital transactions in a secure and transparent manner. It uses a network of computers to verify and record transactions, making it very resistant to tampering and fraud. One of the key features of blockchain is its decentralization, which means that there is no central authority or intermediary that controls the network. Instead, the network is maintained by a community of users who collectively verify and validate transactions using complex cryptographic algorithms. Now, another important feature of blockchain is its immutability, which means that once data, once information is added to the chain, it cannot be altered, it cannot be mutilated, it cannot be deleted, it cannot be edited. That is important for you to know. Now we've defined or help you to understand what blockchain is. What exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital, or cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currency that use cryptography for security and operates independently of central banks or government. In other words, these are currencies that allows transactions to take place without the interference of a third party. This makes cryptocurrencies completely democratized and decentralized, meaning that they are not controlled by any central authority and they are typically based on the blockchain. It's powered by this blockchain as a technology. As a matter of fact, the blockchain has been there, but the invent of the first cryptocurrency ever created, which is the Bitcoin, is what made blockchain technology famous. And now, this is a decentralized ledger. It's like a public accounting book, like I like to say, that records and verifies transactions irrespective of who is doing this transaction and irrespective of their location. Yes. So let's make progress. One of the key features of cryptocurrency is its ability to facilitate fast transactions. I'll say that again. One of the key features of cryptocurrency is its ability to facilitate fast and low cost peer to peer transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks or payment processors. And you need to understand that cryptocurrencies can be used to purchase goods and services, to transfer funds, and invest in other cryptocurrencies as well, or even invest in traditional assets such as stocks and bonds, etc. And one of our objectives in this conversation is that at the end of this conversation, you have a better understanding of what blockchain, what cryptos are, how to pick your cryptos, and where to trade them. Of course, trading it on the OctaFX platforms. And it's important for you to know that cryptocurrencies are essentially of two kinds. First is Bitcoin, and then you have altcoins. So there are over 10,000 cryptocurrencies out there, but why do we classify these into two Bitcoin versus altcoin? Because Bitcoin is the king of all cryptocurrencies. I'll say that again. Bitcoin is the king of all cryptocurrencies. It is the first ever to be created by pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, and it is what made blockchain famous. It is the first application, the first protocol, the first product to be built on the blockchain platform. So every other coins apart from Bitcoins are termed altcoins. Alt is a short for alternating coins, right? And it's important for you to know that Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency and remains the most well-known and widely used cryptocurrency. It is also one of the most volatile with frequent fluctuations in price, right? That's why we have to give you proper understanding of the crypto space so you can make an informed decision as a trader on the OctaFX platform. Now, Bitcoin has a large and active community of users and developers, making it a good starting point for those interested in cryptocurrency. Now let's talk about altcoins. Now that we've talked a bit about Bitcoin, let's talk about altcoins for a moment. It's a short for alternative coins, like I earlier mentioned. Now, you refer to any cryptocurrency that is not Bitcoin, you're actually talking about altcoins. Since the creation of Bitcoin in 2009, numerous altcoins have been developed. Like I said earlier, over 10,000 cryptocurrencies currently exist in the coin market cap, CoinGecko, which are like directories of grading and scaling cryptocurrencies, right? Now, these numerous altcoins have been developed and introduced in the cryptocurrency market. each with their own unique features, use cases, utilities, communities, and developers. All these altcoins are built and powered by blockchain technology, which I rightly explained as a decentralized public ledger that records transactions, like an accounting book that is made public. And these transactions are on a network of computers linked together with cryptography, which is a high mathematical formula. Now, all of these network of computers is what makes up the blockchain. However, altcoins can have different blockchain protocols, which may affect their functionality, their security, their immutability, their speed, etc. There are thousands of altcoins in existence, with new ones being created regularly. Some of the most popular and well-known altcoins include, but are not limited to the following. I'll just highlight the ones you can see on your screen, but there are lots more. So the first you have there is Ethereum, and the ticker is ETH, or the short rather is ETH. Then you have Binance Coin, which is BNB. We have Ripple, XRP, Dogecoin, DOGE, Cardano, which is ADA, Litecoin, LTC. Now, these altcoins and more can be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges just the way you can trade Bitcoin. I'm glad to announce to you that on the OctaFX platform, you can trade about 30 cryptocurrency pairs, which are fantastic layers of crypto projects. And that's an awesome thing to know. Let's make more progress, guys. The world of cryptocurrency is profitable. If you're new to the world of crypto, it can be overwhelming to know where to start or to know how to start. That is why we at OctaFX are taking it a point of duty to educate you and help you make your leaps from your potential to your productive stage as a crypto trader. And knowledge is the most important thing you need to succeed in the crypto trading space. That's why we are taking the pain and the time to educate you and give you the right information to get you started. Today, I will teach you how you can leverage the web portals of the crypto system as a beginner. First thing you need to do, guys, is to choose a trading platform. Say that again. First thing you need to do is to choose a trading platform. And which other platform is best to recommend or best to use other than the particular platform offering you 100% promo on your deposit right now, guys? You deposit $1,000 to start trading, you get $2,000. And if you deposit $500 to start trading, you get $1,000. Guess what? Forget about the figures I'm mentioning. Even though you can deposit $100,000 to start trading and you get $200,000. But yes, it's not limited, to only big deposits. You can even deposit as low as $50, and you also still enjoy the 100% increase, the 2x, meaning that if you deposit $50, you're gonna get $100, and that promo expires or elapses by the 31st of May this year, 2023. So back to the conversation. Choose a trading platform. Choose OctaFX. Once you gained, a basic knowledge, a basic understanding of crypto, which we're trying to do for you, the next step is to choose a trading platform. Now, a trading platform in this context can be known as an exchange. Now, there are many different platforms, each with their own features, with their own financial instruments. But I can tell you, OctaFS is offering you fantastic instruments that you can trade your crypto, your favorite crypto assets, and your favorite crypto projects. And there are some popular platforms, but the one I highly recommend is OctaFX. You need to know that when choosing a trading platform, you have to consider certain factors, such as the types of cryptocurrencies that are available on those platforms, the fees, the maker taker fees that are obtainable on those platforms, the fees for trading, and then the withdrawals. How's the process of withdrawals? The level of security provided by the platform. And OctaFX, having operations in over 100 countries, has mastered the art of providing trading instruments for different countries and different traders. And I recommend OctaFX for you. Now, a little deeper work into understanding centralized exchange, which is the longer form for the CEX, is basically a traditional exchange where buyers and sellers come together to trade assets. It's like a marketplace, right? Your local market in a digital store, right? In a digital platform. That is what a centralized exchange is basically. Now, these exchanges are owned and operated by a central authority, and they require users to go through what we call a KYC, know your customer process, to trade assets, because these centralized exchanges have to be compliant with the government and the respective agencies in the countries they operate in. So you'll be required to do KYCs at some point before you can proceed to trade your assets. And centralized exchanges typically offer high liquidity, meaning that you will not have problems whenever you're trading or you're trying to withdraw your equity or withdraw some part of your money. OctaFX is known for providing high liquidity and fast transaction and processing times. Now, examples of trading platforms, just to mention, we have some of these that you can see on your screen, but again, the one I recommend to you is OctaFX. Now, apart from the centralized exchanges, there are the decentralized exchanges. Apart from the centralized exchanges, there are decentralized exchanges as well. Now, decentralized exchange, on the other hand, is an exchange that operates on decentralized networks. In decentralized exchanges, users can trade assets directly without intermediaries. Now, this is for the purpose of educating you, right? As a trader, you need to understand these things so you know how to make your leaps in the crypto space. Now, the short form for decentralized exchange is DEXs, just like the short form for centralized exchange is SEXs, right? So we're on DEXs now. Now, DEXs use smart contracts to facilitate trades and eliminate the need for central authority or central um, administrations when it comes to the broker platform. Examples of DEX platforms include Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and Curve. There are lots more, but those are not our focus on this conversation. I'm just saying this for the purpose of general knowledge and understanding. The second thing, remember, I'm helping you to get started as a crypto trader. First is choose your trading platform, which I've highly recommended OctaFX for you to start. The second thing you need to do is to set a trading strategy. Set a trading strategy. If you're there wherever you are, you should be writing some of these things down, except you want to come back and go through the video over and over again because sometimes repetition enhances retention. So the second thing you need to do is to set a trading strategy. Now, in the realm of cryptocurrency trading, I must be honest with you, having been a trader for at least 5 years now, with the right trading strategy, you can win big. That makes strategy as king. I'll say that again. In the realm of cryptocurrency trading, strategy is king. With the right trading strategy, your opportunities to earn a profit will be more secured. So you need to pay attention to strategy. And without the right information, without the right knowledge, you cannot create or come up with a right strategy. That's why we're giving you foundational basic knowledge so you can even do more research on your role and be able to come up with strategies that you can use to win big in the crypto trading space. So I need to run faster now so we can gain on time. However, with the wrong approach, the outlook probably wouldn't look too good. We could talk all day about the trading strategies to use with options ranging from classic holding to more sophisticated approaches like day trading, but none of that matters if you don't know how to read the market. Having a winning trading strategy considers the trader's personal style and goals. Now, knowing when to exit a trade is just as important as knowing when to enter the position. Very, very important. Stop loss prices, profit targets, entry and exit, as I rightly mentioned earlier, should be added to your trading strategy to identify specific exit points for your trade. And do not ever forget to keep this line of action. It takes discipline to be a trader because, truth be told, there are lots of traders out there who are in losses, who are losing. It's not because the platform is not great, it's not because the crypto projects are not great. It is just because they lack the right strategy and they lack the discipline to follow the right strategy. Okay, I'll talk more about it in the OctaFX live event coming up in Lagos. Now, before choosing a trading strategy, you need to grasp the technical and fundamental analysis of an asset. in order to identify good trading entry and exit points. I say that again. Before choosing your trading strategy, you need to grasp the technical and fundamental analysis of an asset in order to identify good trade entry and exit points. Let's go. So we want to take a quick look at what exactly can help us build a good trading strategy, technical and fundamental analysis. So we'll go with the first, technical analysis. It's basically a trading discipline employed to evaluate your crypto investments. Employed to evaluate your crypto investments. Employed to evaluate your crypto investments and help you identify your good trades or by analyzing statistical trends most gathered from historical data. Now, the premise of technical analysis is very simple. Watch this, guys. Pay attention here. The premise of technical analysis is simple. Is simple. History repeats itself. Now, many of you probably watching this are transitioning or diversifying from your forex trading into crypto. Now, in the forex trading space, historic data is great because the forex market is an age-old forex market, right? But the crypto market or the crypto business as a whole is in its infant stage. So there is more historic data in the forex trading space than the crypto space, but yet there is still historic data. And the premise of technical analysis in crypto trading also is that history repeats itself. Now, analysts who use this style look at historic data for technical analysis. They look at trading volume, past pricing trends, etc. Now, instead of looking at just the specific purpose of the coin and the project, they look at the historic data of the price action of the coin, and use all of those metrics to make a buy or sell decision. It speaks of an analysis method for forecasting rather the direction of prices through the study of past market data, primarily price movement and volume. And the very nature of technical analysis assumes that price movements in the market are not random. Past patterns will repeat themselves and will hold in the future. For example, you can start by looking up a coin on the number one coin directories, on the popular coin directories, which is CoinMarketCap, Coin Gecko, and then Cointelegraph. And then you check out their daily charts on the exchange, it's trading, check out the hourly chart, if it's bullish or bearish, so as to find your best entry and exit points. Now, technical analysis, which we call TA, aims to build a clear picture of the market sentiment by looking at historical data, like I rightly said before. And to do this, we try to identify patterns of repeated behavior. Once we do that, you're able to make calculated predictions based on the market's bearish or bullish trend. Now, mainly with technical analysis, people look at the supply and demand of a specific coin. As soon as a coin forms a trend, technical analysts follow that trend to oppose it. Let's say that the market has been bullish for a while now. That may result in a reduced supply of coins due to high demand. Now, in turn, the price may increase. When that price goes up, people will try to make their profit by selling their coins and expecting a bearish market to come. So what happens? As more people sell their cryptocurrency tokens or their cryptocurrencies, the supply will eventually begin to outweigh demand, prompting a decrease in price. And from there, the cycle continues. So this is basically economics, right? And what gives cryptocurrencies intrinsic value is basically economics as well. What affects the price is economics, and it's something that you need to understand. So, quite much about technical analysis. These are just basics. We can go deeper in subsequent classes and conversations. But let's now move further to fundamental analysis. Now, fundamental analysis, as compared to TA, which is technical analysis, is a more big picture approach. Instead of looking at historical data or statistics alone, fundamental analysts do a thorough investigation of an asset's intrinsic value. They do this by gathering all of the coin's possible qualitative and quantitative factors. Now, let's say you see an innovative coin or project that has many real world applications. You feel the coin's price is undervalued in comparison to its intrinsic value. You could invest in it, hoping that in theory it makes a profit, not just based on the price. not just the way the price is reacting, whether it's an uptrend or downtrend, whether it has formed a head shoulder move, or whether it is doing whether it's printing a complete bearish candle. All you need to make a decision for fundamental is looking at the intrinsic value of the coin or the cryptocurrency. We use Bitcoin as an example. With Bitcoin, you might look at how feasible it is, to use it as a medium of exchange, and that itself makes Bitcoin different from traditional money. The fact that people can transact um, with Bitcoin sitting from anywhere or any part of the world and do business. A Japanese can do business with an Indonesian without even meeting them, and an Indonesian can do business with an African without meeting them, and they can use Bitcoin as this means of payment. And the fact that Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million makes it unique. Now, imagine 7 billion people in the entire world scrambling for just 21 million Bitcoin, of which over 16 million has been mined already and already in circulation. So there's just a little above 3 million that is available because 1 billion of Bitcoin is in reserve. Now, we could also point this ability to simplify cross border payments. This type of actors would eventually cause a rise in adoption. And this is what we look at before making the decision to buy a cryptocurrency. All of these economic parameters. Another factor that determines intrinsic value in global crypto related events is like the BTC halving. Now, the BTC halving happens every 4 years, theoretically and practically, since the inception of the Bitcoin protocol, since Satoshi deployed the protocol. And this is a highly publicized and anticipated event that has the power to impact on the price of Bitcoin. If you research more on the Bitcoin halving, you will discover that is an incident that pays, is an event that tends to reduce the value or the quantity of Bitcoin. It tends to reduce the quantity of Bitcoin used to reward the miners on the network. All right. Now, the first reward of blocks on the network that was used to reward miners was 50 Bitcoins. And then eventually, after the first halving, it reduced to 25 Bitcoins. And the next halving, it went to 12.5 Bitcoins. And the next halving, it went to 6.25. Now, a new halving is coming, which has been backdated to 2024, and the reward for miners per block will be reduced again. All of this is going to cause rarity and scarcity. And what do you think will happen to the price of Bitcoin? It's going to surge, right? So scarcity and rarity drives value, and that's a fundamental way to look at to look at the value of a cryptocurrency. All right. So let's move further. The last is sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is a way of analyzing the mood and emotions of the market participants towards a particular cryptocurrency. Now, this kind of analysis involves looking at social media, looking at articles, looking at influencers, people who matter, who have some form of huge following. What are they saying about the project? Looking at the founders of the developers of this project, where have they been? What have they worked on? Have they failed in certain projects? Or are they known to rock pool or to be scammers? All of these things. Do they have credibility in the tech space or in the blockchain space? What are news platforms saying about them? And whether the investors are bullish, that means optimistic, or bearish, pessimistic about the cryptocurrency's future prospect. Now, these are just sentiments. It's not really technical, it's not fundamental. These are just sentiments, and it's also a very important parameter that can help you make a buy or sell decision of your favorite cryptocurrency assets. Now, it's important to know that most great traders use a balance of all these methods I've explained: the fundamental, the technicals, and now the sentimental. The sentimental. We look mostly not just at the historic data, but also the asset's intrinsic value and the sentiments around the cryptocurrency project. I guess you're getting value on this session so far. Okay, so now that you have picked your trading platform, OctaFX, you have decided to build a strategy. You've started to build up your knowledge when it comes to technical, fundamental, and sentiment analysis. You need to define your agenda, guys. I'll say that again. You need to define your agenda. What is your why? What are your objectives? Why do you want to trade? How much do you want to earn? Now, knowing what you want to earn, what do you want to do with what you want to earn? So if you have a writing pad wherever you are, you need to begin to create your why, because your why to a great exchange will color your work ethics, will color your productivity rate, would affect the rate of your success as a crypto trader. All right. Now, there are many different trading strategies to choose from, including day trading, swing trading, and scalping. And I'm just going to touch a bit about these strategies in theory, while we'll explain much more in subsequent sessions. Now, swing trading is a style of trading where traders hold positions for several days to several weeks, aiming to profit from price swings in the market. In this strategy, traders who use this strategy look for trends or patterns in the market and try to buy low and sell high. They buy at accumulation phases and sell at distribution phases, right? Okay, so let's move on. Now, day trading is a style of trading where traders open and close position within the same day, within 24 hours. That's why it's day trading, aiming to profit from this short-term price movement. Day traders often use hot, top-notch technical analysis and closely monitor the market throughout the day to make quick trading decisions and to make quick trading profits. The last I'm going to talk about here is scalping. Now, scalping is a style of trading where traders make frequent small trades to profit from small price movements. Traders who use this strategy aim to make a high volume of trades in a short period of time. So they usually come in with volume. Mostly corporations and institutions or hedge funds use this strategy a lot. Often just seconds or minutes within, with the goal of making small profits on each trade. This strategy requires a lot of skill and experience as it involves making quick decisions and executing trades rapidly. The next thing you need to do is to practice with a demo account. Having understood, having picked your trading platform, which is OctaFX, and having made your deposit and gotten your 100% promo, and having done some analysis, some knowledge sessions, understanding technical, fundamental, and sentimental, and knowing which trading strategy you want to come up with, whether it's day trading, swing trading, or scalping, the third thing you need to do is to practice, because when you practice enough, your brain begins to register that as a way of doing things. Now, many trading platforms offer demo accounts that allow you to trade with virtual money, which is not real, giving you the opportunity to test out different trading strategies. OctaFX offers this demo account trading experience as well, because we wouldn't want you to come on the platform and blow your account. We want you to test your strategy, test yourself, and trust your own instinct before you delve into the practical live account. Now, these strategies help you gain experience without necessarily risking your phone. So once you sign up, do not forget to practice with a demo account on the OctaFX platform. Now, the fourth thing is you need to note that to be effective as a fundamental analyst, you will need to continually keep abreast of news and announcements, as they can be very influential, very powerful indicators in the crypto space, right? If you've been a Forex trader, you need to do a little mental switch to get into the crypto space. And in the Lagos live event, I will be speaking a lot about how you can transition as a Forex trader into the crypto ecosystem. I've prepared a very wonderful content for you in case you are listening and joining from Nigeria and you want to fly in to be part of that event. I'll be happy to meet you there. And the world of crypto is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay informed about the latest news and trends. This includes studying on OctaFX blog sites, subscribing to OctaFX email list so you can get crypto news. You can get high premium crypto news, following OctaFX social media accounts, as well as participating in online forums and communities. Online forums and communities. These are very important things for you to do as a crypto trader leveraging the OctaFX platform, right? Now, you stay informed through these platforms. The coin market cap is there. I think I've mentioned that a lot. CoinGecko.com is there. Cointelegraph.com is there. Now you can join Telegram groups of different crypto projects. So if, for instance, you're fascinated by Ethereum, Ethereum literally have Telegram groups that you can join. You can join their Reddit, their Twitter, their Medium, and their Discord groups. Now these are platforms you can easily access news and announcements. For instance, you're fascinated by Fathom or Matic or Polygon. and some of these layer one blockchains. You can join their platform and get information on these, as it will help you stay informed to be able to make buy or sell decisions on the OctaFX platform. Now, by staying informed, you can make more informed trading decisions and stay ahead of the curve in the fast-paced world of crypto trading. Okay, so apart from trading, just for general knowledge sake, there are other ways of making money in cryptocurrency, right? There is mining, there is staking, there is farming, there are airdrops, you can do NFTs and metaverse. But the purpose of this conversation is basically to get you to know how you can begin as a crypto trader. Now, all that being said, I'm going to just run you through or run through a series of crypto trading terminologies. I'll just give you 10, and then to be time for questions. In case you have your questions, kindly ask on the chat box, and I'll be happy to provide answers to you. So yeah, in case you hear of Huddle, in case you're in the Telegram groups or you're on Twitter trying to research, or you're going through Reddit trying to research some crypto products, see some of these terminologies. This is what they mean. So HODL means hold on for your dear life. Now, this term refers to a strategy of holding on to cryptocurrency regardless of price movement, with the belief that it will increase in value over time. FOMO means fear of missing out, which is a term that refers to the anxiety of missing out on a potentially profitable trade or investment opportunity. Whale is a term used to describe an individual or entity that owns a significant amount of cryptocurrency and can influence the market with their trades, right? Now, the next terminology is the bullish or the bull market. A bullish market is basically one in which the price of cryptocurrencies is rising, right? We just experienced the last bull market in 2021 and it was insane. Now, the next bull market is happening from 2024 last quarter and entering 2025 and is going to be ridiculously insane. I'll talk much about that in the Lagos offline event. Now, bearish market or bear market basically means a bearish market in which the price of cryptocurrencies are falling or expected to fall. Now, long means predict upward price movement and take position by buying, while short means predicting downward movement and taking position while selling. TP means take profit. SL means stop loss. FUD means fear, uncertainty, and doubt. FUD basically is a strategy used to spread negative or false information about a particular cryptocurrency or the market in general. And a lot of people don't know that this is a big strategy for certain elements that manipulates the market. They spread the news, price goes down, they buy more at discount. But let's leave that conversation for another day. ATH basically means the highest price that a particular cryptocurrency asset has ever reached. And ATL all-time low this means the lowest price that a particular cryptocurrency has ever reached. Now, pump and dump, yeah, is a scheme in which a group of traders artificially inflate the price of a particular cryptocurrency and then sell it off, causing the price to crash and leaving other traders with losses. Good thing is you can never experience this kind of pump and dump issues on the OctaFX platform. So if you're going to be trading on the OctaFX platform, you know you're not going to be experiencing this kind of pump and dump situation because OctaFX is not open to such. The way their financial instrument is positioned, you cannot successfully activate or throw down a pump and dump situation. Your order book means a list of buy and sell orders for a particular cryptocurrency or an exchange. It shows the price and quantities of each order that you have on the exchange. Now, here is where the rubber meets the road, right? Now, here is where the die is cast. What do you need to do? After all these things we've talked about, here is a practical action step. Go right now and download the OctaFX app. Create your OctaFX account. You can use um, my promo code Talle Start. All right, you create your account, you secure your account with Authy app or the 2FA app that you prefer. You do your KYC. Remember, I talked about this. It's important to do your KYC because of AML concerns all over the world. Now you make your deposit, or you start by operating the demo account, eventually make your deposit and fund your account, right? And then you select your coin or your trading pair and start to trade. But trust me, this is a fantastic simplified pathway you can use to get started as a crypto trader. I'm sure if you've been trying to get into the crypto space, if you've been trying to understand the crypto space, a foot in the door is all you need. And once you get in, it's an exceptionally interesting space that you go for more knowledge and more knowledge. And stay with us at OctaFX because we'll be providing more sessions like this that will educate you. There will be sessions where we'll go deeper into technical analysis, we'll go deeper into fundamental, we'll go deeper into sentimental analysis, or we'll go deeper into creating unique strategies that work for different trading persona. And you don't want to be missing in such platforms. Yes, the big news, I'll say that again, you can apply the promo code by scanning the QR code or follow the link in the description on this YouTube live. And please don't forget that the promo code is valid until the 31st of May 2023. And the promo code, once again, is Talle Start. Talle Start. So, yes, I'm happy to take your questions. So, in case you have been here from the inception of this session and you want to ask a question, kindly type it in the chat box and I will be happy to take your questions. There's also the support team here that will also be happy to take your questions as well. Okay. Yeah, someone is asking how to deposit money in OctaFX account. So there are different deposit options, but there is a direct bank deposit option, which is very seamless. The first time I tried it, in seconds, the the deposit I made, it reflected instantly and it was sitting in my account. You can also use cryptos. You can deposit directly with cryptos. USDT TRC20 network is pretty fast, and there are also a couple of other options and gateways you can leverage on to make your deposit, and it will be credited instantly. If you have any issues, be quick to chat support, and OctaFX support service at speed dial, and they will respond to you almost immediately. So I'm gonna be waiting for more questions. And everyone watching, kindly, if you go to the chat box, you will see there is a survey form and a for survey link that will help us understand what to improve, what we're doing. So you can kindly click on that link. You can see it's posted by the official OctaFX broker account. You can click on the link and fill that survey, as it's going to help us to make serving you better. So I'm waiting for your questions. Okay, in the absence of any other question, okay, Boris says, please, do you have a Telegram channel? Please do not find yourself in the wrong platforms. Ensure that every information you're getting is from the OctaFX support or direct broker official handles so that you do not fall into fraud or scam. All right. Someone is asking, do you post live signals? If there are questions I'm not responding to, please, um, they should be attended to via the chat. Okay. Someone asks, what differentiates OctaFX from other brokers. So yeah, basically OctaFX has more experience and has been here for the longer time, and OctaFX has shown a level of credibility. OctaFX has shown consistency. OctaFX has shown um, level of interest in educating and giving free knowledge to its users, investing in helping them make the right trade decisions. Just imagine us having this free call to help you make your lives as a crypto trader. And yes, these are some of the unique things that OctaFS provides, and you can be rest assured that this is a healthy platform for you to use. This is a healthy brokerage platform for you to use. Having operation in over 100 countries is no mean reputation, and that is a sign of positive um, positive growth and positive impact in the trade market or in the trading space. So yes, I still recommend OctaFX anytime and any day. Their financial instruments are very effective. They are fast. You know, they listen to feedbacks and they work with the feedbacks from the users to improve on the trading features and the trading instruments on the platform. So a good decision you want to make is to ensure that you're part of the OctaFX family and you're trading on the platform. So thank you for that amazing question. Other questions, please. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for being part of this conversation. I can tell you that this has been an amazing one. Thank you for staying with us from the inception of this conversation, for hanging on up until now. So, yes, remember to download OctaFS to register on OctaFS.com using the promo code and by scanning the QR code. Uh, on the screen, you'll be able to get access to the X2 promo, which is valid until 31st of May. Now, if you have more questions, you didn't were not able to ask it live on this call, you can actually drop it in the chat box on this YouTube live call, and the moderators, OctaFS official moderators, would attend to you, in due time, and you'll be gladly served. Thank you, and have a great